4 days ago, Cursor dropped the biggest update in its history. And nobody is talking about the one feature that changes everything. Cursor 3 is not just an update, it's a complete rebuild of how developers work with AI. The entire interface has been ripped apart and rebuilt around one idea: agents. Not one agent, multiple agents, running at the same time, across different repos, different environments, local machines, cloud servers, remote SSH connections, all at once. Think about that for a second. You're fixing a bug in one repo, while another agent is building a feature in a completely different project. No switching tabs, no waiting, just parallel work happening simultaneously. But here's where it gets wild, and most people are going to miss this. They added something called design mode. You open your app in the browser, and you can literally point at a button, a text field, any UI element, and tell the AI exactly what to change. No more describing elements in chat. No more saying, the button on the top right next to the drop-down. You just click it, drag over it, and the agent knows exactly what you're talking about. Command-Shift-D toggles it on. Shift-Drag selects an area. Option-Click adds an element straight to your prompt. This alone saves hours of painful back and forth every single day. Now let me tell you about the feature that scared me a little. It's called Best of N. You type one prompt. Cursor takes that prompt and runs it across multiple AI models at the same time. Each model works in its own isolated Git WorkTree, completely separate from each other. When they're all done, you compare the results side by side and pick the winner. You're basically making AI models compete against each other to write your code, and you get to be the judge. Imagine pitting Claude against GPT against Gemini on the same coding problem, and just picking the best answer. But that's still not the feature I mentioned at the start, the one nobody's talking about, the WorkTree command. /command and Cursor creates a separate Git branch in a completely isolated WorkTree. Your main code stays untouched. The agent experiments freely. If it works, you merge it in. If it doesn't, you throw it away. Zero risk, zero cleanup. This is massive for production code bases. You can let agents go absolutely wild without ever breaking your main branch. No more stashing changes. No more praying the AI didn't wreck something important. And they didn't stop there. The new Await tool lets agents pause and wait for background processes to finish. Your agent starts a dev server, waits for it to say ready, then continues testing. No more agents blindly running commands and moving on before they finish. This was one of the biggest pain points, and they just fixed it. Browser automation got smarter too. When normal DOM clicking fails, the agent now takes a screenshot and clicks using visual coordinates. It sounds simple, but this fixes one of the most frustrating problems in automated browser testing. Large file diffs render faster now. Way faster. If you've ever watched Cursor choke on a 1,000-line file comparison, that pain is gone. Enterprise teams got controls they've been begging for. Admin restrictions on cloud agents. Better audit logs with human-readable group names instead of random ID strings. And a toggle to disable the Made with Cursor attribution across the entire organization. MCP plugins now support structured content. That means third-party tools can return rich formatted outputs instead of plain text blobs. If you're building custom developer tools or internal workflows, this opens up a whole new level of integration. Here's what actually matters though. The real use case that changes the game. Cursor 3 turns one developer into a small engineering team. You spin up 3 agents. One refactors your backend API. One builds a new front-end component. One writes unit tests for last week's merge. You review the work, approve the diffs, and ship it all. What used to take a full day now takes an hour. Solo developers building production-grade apps. 2-person startups competing with companies 10 times their size. Freelancers delivering projects in half the time. That's what this update actually enables, and it dropped 4 days ago. No waitlist, no beta. Just update Cursor and open the Agents window. The old Cursor was a really good AI code editor. Cursor 3 is an AI-powered development team sitting inside your laptop. Thank you.